2021, there are 3 questions asked from units lesson. The first question is, a screw gauge gives the following readings when used to measure the diameter of a wire. Okay, what are they given? Main scale reading is given, circular scale reading is given that 1 millimeter on main scale corresponding to 100 divisions on the circular scale. Okay, so the diameter of the wire from the above data, this is the question is asking. So how to calculate? By using screw gauge. Okay, you want to calculate diameter directly. What is that? Diameter of a wire. What is that? Diameter of a wire is equal to formula main scale reading plus number of coincidence in the circular scale into least count of this screw gauge. Okay, so you want to calculate diameter of a wire, you must know MSR, that is main scale reading, in plus number of divisions, okay, on the circular scale, coincidence into least count. So MSR is given, yes, already given, but N is not given. No, N is given. What is that? 52. But least count doesn't given. So first you can calculate least count. What is the formula of a least count? It is nothing but pitch of the screw. Pitch of the screw by number of divisions. What is that? Number of divisions on, what is that? Number of divisions on the circular scale. On the circular scale. Okay. So therefore least count is equal to, what is the pitch of the screw is given in the question. What is that? It is nothing but 1 millimeter. Given that 1 millimeter on the main scale. That means pitch of the screw is what? 1 millimeter by the number of divisions on the circular scale. How many are there? 100 is given. So 1 millimeter by 100, which is equal to 0.01 millimeter. So this is the least count of this screw gauge. That means what indicates least count? Least count indicates the instrument by using, you can calculate the value up to 0.01 millimeter. So diameter of the wire. Therefore diameter of the wire is equal to, what is main scale reading is given? 0 millimeter plus the number of circular scale divisions, which is coincidence. What is that? 52 into least count 0.01. So which is equal to 0 plus 0.52. What is that? 0.52. This is the, okay. So what is the answer? 0.52 millimeter. What is 0.52 millimeter? But if this question is asking in centimeters, how we can do it? It is multiplied by 10 power minus. So 0.52 into 10 power minus 1 centimeter, which is equal to 0.052 centimeter. The second question in 2021, what is that? If E and G respectively denote energy and gravitational constant, then E by Z has the dimensions of, what is given? E is equal to what? Energy. Okay, what is the dimension formula of energy? It is nothing but work. So what is the dimension formula of energy? You know very well, ml square t power minus 2. Okay, next gravitational, G is equal to what? Gravitational constant. What is that? Gravitational constant, which is obtained from, okay, from Newton's law of gravitation. What is that? From Newton's law of gravitation, F is equal to G into masses m1 m2 by r square. So from this universal gravitation constant, G is equal to F r square by m square. Here m1 is equal to m2. Then both are same. So you can multiply. It is nothing but m square. So what is the dimension formula of force? You know very well, ml t power minus 2. R means distance. It is nothing but L square by m means mass. So which is get m power minus 1 L cube t power minus 2. So you know energy, you got the gravitational constant, but asking then E by Z, therefore required E by G is equal to, E is equal to what? M L square t power minus 2 by G is equal to m power minus 1 L cube t power minus 2. We have to see t power minus 2, t power minus 2 is cancelled. Then what is remaining? M, when it is go to the numerator, it is nothing but what? M square. Then it is nothing but L power minus 1 t power 0.
Stop.
The third question in 20 and 21, what is the question? If force F and acceleration A and time t are chosen as the fundamental physical quantities, then find the dimensions of energy. So, how to do it, this question? We don't know how energy depends on force, acceleration and time according to this question. So, I may say, let energy is directly proportional to force as well as directly proportional to acceleration and directly proportional to t side. But how many times we rise these fundamental quantities according to the given question? It gives rise to dimension formula of energy, so that energy depends on force by alpha times, energy depends on acceleration by beta times, energy depends on time by gamma times. So now you can write the dimension formula of physical quantities on LHS side as well as RHS side. So from this one, energy is equal to, what is that? M L square T power minus 2. Force F is equal to M L T power minus 2. Acceleration A is equal to L T power minus 2, and time T is equal to T only, isn't it? Now substitute dimension formula of against these physical quantities given in the question. Energy is replaced by M L square T power minus 2 is equal to force. Force is equal to what? M L T power minus 2. It is depends on alpha times into acceleration. Acceleration is equal to L T power minus 2 power beta times into time power gamma times. So simplify this equation. M L square T power minus 2 is equal to M power alpha. Okay, similarly L power alpha T power minus 2 alpha, isn't it, into L power beta T power minus 2 beta into T power gamma. So equating powers on both sides, M L square T power minus 2 is equal to M power alpha, L power alpha here, L power beta is there, that's why L's are same, powers are allowed to add it. So alpha plus beta into T power minus 2 alpha minus 2 beta plus gamma. Now equating powers of mass, length, time on both sides. What is given? There is no power on M, that means 1 is there. So 1 is equal to alpha. This is equation 1. Okay, next compare powers of length on both sides. L power 2 is there, that means 2 is there. On LHS side, alpha plus beta is there. So from this one you can directly get the value of beta. So beta is equal to what? 2 minus alpha, that means 2 minus 1 is equal to what? This is equation 2. Next, third equation, time. Compare the time powers on both sides, which is equal to minus 2 is equal to minus 2 alpha minus 2 beta plus gamma. Already you know alpha value, beta value. Substitute alpha and beta values in this equation. So you get minus 2 is equal to minus 2 minus 2, because beta is equal to 1. So 2 into 1, 1 plus gamma. So that implies gamma is equal to, we got minus 2. So substitute all the powers in define. What is that? Energy. That means therefore energy E is equal to, it depends on force power alpha, that means 1, that means F power 1. Similarly acceleration, how got beta value 1, so A power 1. Next, time power T power minus 2. So this is a required solution for this question.